Since its inception in the mid-1980s, 3D modeling and printing technology has evolved at a breathtaking pace, revolutionizing fields from architecture to biotechnology. This transformative technology operates on an additive technique, creating three-dimensional objects from digital designs. The process begins with a digital blueprint, crafted either by scanning an existing object or generating a computer-aided design file. 3D scanners play a crucial role, ensuring accurate digital representations for precise manufacturing. The digital model is sliced into layers, guiding the 3D printer in constructing the object layer by layer. From molten metals to chocolate, 3D printers can use a diverse range of raw materials to bring designs to life. This versatility allows the creation of objects as varied as coat hangers, teacups, and toy cars. As the technology advances, it brings potential legal and regulatory challenges, particularly in product liability and intellectual property. While the future of 3D printing remains uncertain, its potential to innovate and disrupt traditional manufacturing is undeniable.